Ring does everything.
Hey guys, Philip Ring, also known as Phil Does Hair and Phil Does Everything. I'm from the year 3017 and I have brought to you guys today some science and technology behind the beauty industry from the future. On today's segment, we're talking developers. So I thought it'd be really cool to do a little science experiment using the developers that we're gonna talk about today. What you're gonna need for this science experiment is 3 tablespoons of water, 1 packet of dry yeast, drop that in, swish it around a little bit, half a cup of developer. In this case, we're going to use 20 volume from Trionics. This is one of my favorite science tricks ever, so I'm super excited to show you guys what we are up to today. Dump that right in. So that was a half a cup. The next thing that we're going to do is 8 droplets of food coloring into the developer. I forgot the gloves. We're going to put the goggles on. Safety first. Alright, so we've got a half a cup of 20 volume, the yeast in 3 tablespoons of warm water, about a tablespoon of soap inside of that developer mixture, and mix it up. Alright. Once that's mixed up all nice, we're gonna take our yeast mixture and we're gonna pour it in, and maybe we'll stir it, maybe we won't.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's not. Although that was really cool, I want to try a different dye. This time we're going to try these Malibu concentrates. We're going to add some of this red powder, some dish soap, a heavy pour. And this is what I like to call elephant toothpaste.
Ring does everything.
And guys, don't forget to stay tuned to the end of this video for the answer to the next 2 trivia questions. Question 1. What is an enzyme? Answer A. An enzyme is a molecular catalyst. Answer B. One part of an atom's nucleus. Answer C. An organelle inside of a plant cell. Question 2. What role does peroxide play in the chemical process? Answer A. The alkaline chemical used to open the cuticle. Answer B. The developer or the oxidizing agent. Answer C. The blueprint for making proteins.
Ring does everything.
Alright, so I want to talk developers. I don't want to talk peroxides. I want to talk Trionics. These are developers that are going to replace every single one of the developers that you are currently using. And why? Because they're safer, gentler, faster, which is major because you're going to be able to take 2 to 3 clients in the time that it used to take you to do 1. Everything's going to be gentler, shinier, color's going to last longer, reds are going to be brighter, browns are going to be truer, and let's get right into talking about why each of these are special and what they do and how they work. First, we've got No Lift. No Lift is going to take the place of all of your depositing developers that you use in the salon. So anytime you want to go darker, whether it's demi-permanent, permanent, non-ammonia, semi-permanent, this is the developer that you're going to go for. It replaces a 5 volume and it's going to color the hair in under 10 minutes under heat. Accent. Accent is going to take the place of your 10 volumes in the salon. This is going to give you your full level of lift in 10 to 20 minutes under heat. Next, we've got Gravy Gun. So this is a 17 volume. Gravy Gun is going to cover 25 to 100% gray in only 15 to 20 minutes under heat. This is probably going to be the one that you're going to use the most in the salon, because how would you love to cover the most stubborn gray, the most white, coarse hair? It doesn't matter if it's black, white, Puerto Rican, Chinese, American, alien hair. This is going to cover every single bit of that in only 15 to 20 minutes under heat.
Ring does everything.
And now you guys have made it to the silly, stupid, and sometimes smart part of the segment where I tell you some silly scientist jokes. Two scientists walk into a bar. The first scientist says, "I'll have some H2O." The second scientist says, "I'll have some water." "And why did you ask H2O? It's the end of the day and we're done with work." And the first scientist stares at his glass as his assassination attempt has just failed. Get it? He was hoping his friend would order H2O2, which is peroxide, and if you drink it, then you would die, so his plan to kill the other scientist that he was at the bar with, failed because he ordered water, which is H2O. And here's my favorite pickup line. If you were a DJ, you'd be DJ Enzyme, because you're always breaking it down. Why are chemists great for solving problems? Because they have all the solutions! I give up.
The ring does everything.
The next thing we've got actuator. Actuator is your 20 volume. You're gonna get 2 to 3 levels of lift with this in under 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes with heat. Lift through. Lift through is gonna take the place of your 40 to 50 volumes in the salon. This is gonna give you 4 to 5 levels of lift, and it's only gonna take 10 to 20 minutes under heat to give you that amount of lift. Is that crazy? I think it's crazy. The amazing thing about Trionics is the technology that they've put into these products. This has been around for so long, and I'm not sure why people haven't tried these. These are going to change the game for hairdressers in the salon, giving you more time to be able to do different colors, be able to take more clients, but at the same time taking better care of your clients, because who doesn't want to have more time and happier clients, right? Next we've got Higher and Higher. Higher and Higher is going to give you 5 to 8 levels of lift. This is a violet color, and it's only going to take 5 to 20 minutes to give you that amount of lift with lightener off the scalp. Higher and Higher is the developer that you're going to reach for all of your liquid bleaches, your powder bleaches, and all of your high lifts. This is going to be able to give you 5 to 8 levels of lift in 10 to 20 minutes. I know, it's crazy. 10 to 20 minutes. Next we've got KO Blondes. KO Blonde is one of the newest members of the Trionics family. It means knocked out blondes or knockout blondes. This is going to give you 8 levels of lift. You're going to be able to use this with actuator in a foil just like any other 20 volume lightener. You can use this in open air, saran wrap, foil processing. This is going to give you no bleeding, no swelling, 8 levels of lift. And the clay that they use in this is kaolin clay. Kaolin clay is one of the finest, nicest, softest clays in the entire world. And the other thing that I think you should know about this is that it's violet colored. So not only when you use it with Higher and Higher and lift through are you gonna get that violet pigment, but when you add KO Blondes to this, you shouldn't have any problem getting those nice soft vanilla blondes that you've been looking for. Let's talk about the science.
The ring does everything.
When you add heat to any product that you use the Trionics enzyme developers to catalyze the enzyme, cutting the processing time in half. Without heat, the clients are going to get the same benefits that they get with regular developers, just processed with the normal speed with body heat per the manufacturer's directions. So how are Trionics enzyme developers different or better than other developers? First, the enzymes serve to encapsulate and buffer the peroxide, mitigating the pressure, swelling, and explosion under the cuticle layer. Therefore, they're far safer, more gentle, and far less damaging to the hair and scalp. In addition, the enzymes help to penetrate more deeply into the cortex to process more efficiently and effectively, delivering superior results. You'll see stronger hair, healthier hair, more vibrant, lasting colors, a healthier scalp, less fade and superior shine, and many, many more benefits. The Trionics developers are super easy to use. Just replace your regular peroxide with the corresponding Trionics developer, and that's it. You can do it! Always remember that Trionics developers are going to process faster with heat. The building is on fire, fire! Heat catalyzes the enzymes, cutting the processing time in half. Without heat, your client's going to get all of the benefits from the enzymes, but with a longer processing time. And now, the answers to the earlier trivia questions. Question 1. What is an enzyme? The answer was answer A, a molecular catalyst. Enzymes are a type of protein present in all living things, including animal, bacterial, fungal, and plant sources. They act as catalysts, making functions more efficient, increasing the rate of chemical reactions. Imagine this. You're double booked in the salon, you haven't had lunch, you're running on coffee, but you get introduced to an assistant who's going to help you make your work go twice as fast. That's basically what an enzyme does. Question 2. What role does peroxide play in the chemical process? The developer or the oxidizing agent? So in hair color, there are 2 primary ingredients. First, ammonia, or a derivative, is the alkaline chemical that opens the cuticle and allows the hair color to penetrate the cortex of the hair. It also acts as a catalyst when the permanent hair color comes together with the peroxide. Peroxide is the developer or oxidizing agent. The developer removes pre-existing color by breaking down chemical bonds in the hair. As the melanin is decolorized, a new permanent color is bonded to the hair cortex. I've had such a good time talking science with you guys, and I can't wait to do it again. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and share it with a friend. Until next time, may your blonde stay blonde, your fashion colors not bleed, and none of your clients lie about having box color in their hair. See you on the flip side.
The ring does everything.
Today I've got a visitor who came to see us, but he's gonna go away. My glasses are fogging. I'm a little sweaty, but I gotta stay protected. Okay, I can't see you. Is there steam coming up? Don't do that. Answer A. A question is a question. What is it? Answer A.